grab your glue gun and grab your tools because we're making something that's perfect for Father's Day in a rustic farmhouse style. The first thing you're going to need is your wood log. Now I've had these lying around at home for a very long time and I've got a bag of them and they're super cheap, and I will leave the link for that in the description box. The best part about this DIY is that it's really cheap and really easy and super quick, but it's going to look just so expensive, rustic and farmhouse style, and just absolutely lovely. First thing you want to do is measure the sides of your wood log. So mine is 9 centimeters. Then you want to divide that by 2, so that's 4.5 centimeters for me. So you want to measure 4.5 centimeters or whatever your half is, and then make the marking on top of the log. Then you want to do the same for the other side, and then make a marking again. That way you have an accurate measuring for the center of the log. We're going to measure the length of the log, and mine is 26.8 centimeters. Then you want to divide that by 4. So mine is 6.7 centimeters. Then I'm going to place my ruler where I marked the center of the log, and then make the measurements for each hole for the hooks. So that was 6.7 centimeters, and then it's all aligned. You want to make sure it's all straight, and then measure 3 for the hooks. Once you've made your 3 markings and they're all centered and accurate, take a drill and you want to create some guide holes.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño.
You want to take your hooks. I bought mine from Wilko and I decided on cup hooks, and they're chrome plated. You get 6 in a pack, and that's the sizing that I've used. So I've taken 3 out, and then this part is really simple. You're just going to screw it in the holes that you've created with the drill. Now all our hooks are secure and in place. They're really firm and nice and centered. They're all equal. We're going to now think about the backing so that we can attach it to the wall. So we have measured the length previously, so I know that that's 26.8 centimeters. Then you want to divide that by 2 to get the center, which is 13.4 centimeters. So I'm going to make a marking here. I've got the center marked and I've turned on my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to put that in place and then secure it with some nails. So I've got my nails and I'm putting those in place and then securing it with a hammer. I've put 2 in place now and hammered that. Then I've just hammered a small nail in the wall there, and we're going to hang it up and see how it looks. And here is the final project, all done. I'm so pleased with this one and I'm just so happy with it. I hope that you guys have loved this tutorial. It's something different. I don't usually get the screwdriver out and things like that, but because I was inspired for Father's Day, I just thought something like this would be perfect. I had the wood logs lying around at home and I just knew I had to do something with it. And this here is what inspired me to make it too. This is where the keys are being hung at the moment, so definitely a much needed better place for these. So let's go try it out and put the keys on. There we go. Isn't that much better now? Really, really like it. Every single father, I'm sure, will love this as a gift. So get crafting. This is so inexpensive and easy to do. If you have loved this DIY, please do give me a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more things like this in the comments. And if you aren't subscribed, do stay and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these awesome videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next DIY.